Alright, I'm going to go over how to create your homepage. So right now I just have the theme installed and a couple pages, but by default you'll just have your blog post showing up on the homepage. And let's just go ahead and create a page that'll become your homepage. So we're going to add a new page, and let's call this one home. And we can publish this page. And under page attributes, we'll go under templates and we'll select homepage. And then that'll make it so it looks like that homepage template with the slider on it. So the next thing we need to do is set our homepage under settings and readings. And then so by default, you'll see under settings and reading, front page displays latest posts. You just click a static page, and then front page, you'll find your home page that we just created and select that. And then post page will become your blog page. So we'll click save changes, and now when we visit our site, you'll now get the home page. And hold on, let me fix that real quick. I had an example widget in there, and it will look like this. And so you'll get the slider thumbnail right here and slider up there, and then the page content below. And obviously they're both blank since we don't have anything there. And the slider will be a separate set of videos, so we'll ignore that. But let's get into the home page. So the easiest way to add content would be just to edit your home page. So we can edit our home page, and you can add content here. And when we update it, if we view our home page now, I'm just going to open it in a new tab. You get your content below. And so if you wanted to do that, you could just add anything. You could upload images, you can add short code, columns, all sorts of stuff, really nice and simple. I forgot to add the last equals yes. You know, you could add your columns, etc. But we did add a cool feature to create these little boxes. They're actually, each box is one page, and they're child pages. So you could create this with short codes, or you could do a much easier way to format it is, we'll just leave that content there so you can see it, is you can add a new page, and let's call this first page child page 1, and then add some content, or child page content, ... And then if you go under page attributes parents, you can select home, your home page. And if we publish it and we view our page now, you get your child page title right there and content. So you can see how it looks like this, like the live preview. And so let me do that again for another child page. So child page 2. And then child page content. So under page attributes parent, we'll select home page and see how child is already underneath it. And we can publish that right there. So then we're getting our next child page. And then let's go and do a third child page as well. And we'll select home as the parent and publish it. And so you get your 3 child pages just like this. So that's an easy way to format your columns if you want to do a similar layout. And if you want to adjust the order, you can adjust the order right here with 1, 2, 3, etc. And also to get the image, you can actually just upload a featured image. So if you wanted to, we can just upload an image, and then we'll go to set featured image. Right there, select that cloud, update that post, and then that featured image will show up at the top. So that's how you would do that to replicate our live preview. And if you don't want that, you can leave that out. And then the last thing to go over as far as that goes is under appearance and theme options. If you go to homepage, you can adjust the column count. So if you wanted 2 columns, for instance, we can save that option for these child pages. You can get 2 columns, so it's pretty easy to adjust it. And you can do, 1 through 4 columns as far as that goes. And you can also display a sidebar on the home page if you wanted as well.